You've heard the term, so what are closing costs? I'm Metlis with Watson Realty with your Tuesday tip. When you buy a home, you'll need to come up with your down payment amount, and you'll also need to pay for your closing costs. But what are closing costs exactly? They're the additional fees and payments you have to pay at closing, which will vary based on the price of the home and the type of loan you're using. Every buyer has these, including cash buyers, and they shouldn't be a surprise if your lender and realtor have prepared you well. Some buyers forget to budget for them. Closing costs are part of the home buying process and typically include mortgage application fees, credit report fees, loan origination fees, appraisal fees, home inspection fees, title insurance, homeowners insurance, survey fees, attorney or title company fees. Some of these are one-time expenses that are included in your closing costs. Others, like homeowners insurance, are initial installment of payments for ongoing payments you'll have once you close on a home. So how much are closing costs? They can vary depending on your location and the price of your home. On average, you should be prepared to pay between 2% and 5% of the purchase price of your home in closing costs. For example, let's say you find a home you want to purchase at today's median price of $4,222,600. Based on the 2 to 5% Freddie Mac estimate, your closing fees could be roughly between $8,400 and $21,000. That amount is in addition to your down payment amount. If the home you're buying is more or less than this price range, your numbers will be higher or lower. So how do you reduce your closing costs? That's a great question. In today's market, some sellers are willing to cover part or all of these expenses, especially since homes are staying on the market a bit longer now. Sellers may be more motivated to compromise and negotiate, so don't hesitate to ask them for concessions, which gives you a credit toward closing costs at closing. Shop around for home insurance. Rising home insurance is a challenge, especially in Florida, so take the time to get quotes for your homeowner's insurance policy. It doesn't cost you anything, but you want to make sure you're comparing the same level of coverage with each carrier. Choosing a policy that provides reliable coverage at a competitive rate can make a difference. Just like there are programs out there to help you with down payment, there are programs to help you get support with closing costs too. While they vary by area, there are programs for various income levels, certain professions, and specific towns or neighborhoods too. If you want to learn more, you should definitely ask your realtor and lender. They can point you in the right direction. With the right team of experts on your side, you can make sure you're prepared. If you're thinking about buying and have questions about your specific situation and want to be connected to my preferred local lender, send me a message. I'd love to introduce you. That's today's Tuesday tip.